today, or right now, it's during April of 2020, and the coronavirus is really bad. It's infecting a lot of people. We're quarantined to our houses. Supplies are hard to come by. Work with when it's all jaggedy. Oh, and I'll go ahead and show you the signs and the ribbon as well when I get done cutting a clean line. There we go. Much better. Now I'm going to make my poofs rather small because I really want to make this last and I want it to go all the way around. So I'm just going to walk my fingers up here. This is a very small frame to be using this mesh, but this is what I have on hand. So we're using what we have. Okay, I'm going to open this tie. I'm not going to use it though. I'm going to pick a zip tie. Use this tie because when I come back around, that's where I have to. You'll see when I get back around why I didn't. Okay, let me cut this off. And like I said, I'm making very small poofs. Because this is a small frame, but still, I like to put my mesh on the ground. It's easier for me. And I use my mat to measure. So I'm just going to go from like 20 to 29. We're going to make 9-inch poofs. So I'll go to this first one. And tie it down. Oh, I said I was going to show you the ribbon. These are the ribbons that we're going to be using. They're kind of rustic looking. That's why I'm hoping that this lasts all the way around, but if it doesn't, I have another plan. And then the blue. And then I have this. This says God Bless America. Now, all of them don't say that because it's cut in several different places. And this is a sign. I got this from the Dollar General store for $2.50. I'll be using that. Also, instead of this frame, you could get these from the Dollar Tree. These are 8-inch frames instead of 10. But like I said, I have these on hand. And with this mesh being so big, wide, it's 21 inches wide, I just thought that the 10-inch frame would work better. Because this is an 8-inch frame. Alright, let's go. We got to keep our bottoms tucked in. Get this stuff out of my way. Tuck in the sides so they're underneath because you don't want them up getting in your way. Okay, 20 to 29. I have my pipe cleaners on here. Approximately 4 inches apart. Some, I mean, they're not exact. They don't have to be exact. Oh my. Ribbons like to stick to me. Okay. On to the next one. 9 inches. Poof. Tie this in here real tight. I'm debating on whether to put curls in here. We'll see when we get done. Now this one's not all the way down to the frame. See, this mesh is so thick, being a 21-inch mesh, and the frame is small. I didn't have a lot of it left, and like I said, supplies are really hard to come by right now. And everyone's like locked in their houses. Only essential workers are to be out. It's just like something we've never seen before, so. Okay. But we're going to talk about this wreath right now. Get our minds off of it. Okay. Again, to the 9. I don't want the outside and the inside to get mixed up. So, okay, gotta get this down tight. I mean, you wouldn't think with this little wreath that it can turn out to be so full, but you watch, it's going to. Hopefully, I got enough of this to go around. I think I'm going to see how much I got left after we finish this outer row, and if I don't think I'm going to have enough, we're going to go on with plan B. It's still going to turn out good. You'll still like it. Okay, place that down into the pipe cleaner. Tight. That's really thick in there. Okay, now right here is why I didn't use this pipe cleaner right here. Because, well, where's the other end of it? Because when I come back around here, here it is. I'm going to put the mesh in there, and you won't know where I started and where I stopped. Well, where'd that little thing go? I just found it. And I lost it again. Oh, here it is. Yep, this is real life, people. Okay. I got it. Okay, I got to 9 inches. Put my mesh down in there. Squish it as much as I can to go in there. Okay, now let me take a look at what we have left on the roll. And just see if I think we're going to be able to get around the inside. Let's see. I'm going to give it a shot. And then right after this is where I'll tie it down with a zip tie and cut off the end. So I need to push this down through my wreath form. Like this. Don't want the tie to come with it so much because I need it for ribbon. There we go. And put this down on the form. That way it's nice and secure and it's not going anywhere. I like to tighten it up with these needle nose pliers. And then a mess going on here. There's the zip tie I had out. I knew I did. Cut that off. Cut this off. We don't need all that. Okay, there we go. And we got our base. Isn't that cute? I'm going to stand up all my pipe cleaners so I know where they're at. Because I may be adding some rolls. Like I said, this is a 10-inch wreath form. You can get the 8-inch at the Dollar Tree, and you get 2 of them for $1. Same difference. With these, you put 5 on the outer ring, pipe cleaners, 5 on the inner ring. And there's all kinds of methods that you can do. Let's see, do I want to put some rolls? Let me see. I think this is so cute. Okay. Let's move it over here. See that? Turned out really good. There's the bottom. Now I cover the back of my wreath just so you don't see all the mechanics under there. I think it looks nicer and more finished. Alright, let's see if I want rolls on there. if we put these on, it would only be every other tie. So I don't really know if I want these on there. Let's put one on and see. Like I said, we still got to put our ribbon in here. So do I like the rolls on it? It makes it even more full. But it kind of takes away from the rustic look, I think. I don't think I like the rolls. I think I like just the mesh on here. It might not be for everybody, but I think it's cute. And I think it's plentiful. So what we'll do is I will start adding the ribbons. And how I do that, they're cut at 12 inches a piece. I take a 2.5 and a 1.5. Fold it in half. Oh, this one didn't get dovetailed. Okay, to dovetail your ribbon, to make it more finished on the ends, fold it in half, like this. And then on the folded side of your ribbon, you go to it and you cut it at an angle towards the inside. And then you have this. Excuse me. So we'll put that on here. Fold it over. And then you make birdie wings out of it. And we'll just start right here. I can sit down and put ribbon on it. Okay. There we go. Fluff it after I get it on here. Alrighty. And there's our ribbon on there. Isn't that cute? Patriotic. Alright, now I'm going to use this ribbon with this. And then this red check is going to have these in it. So, like, it's all coming together. And I'm going to show you my bow here in a little bit. As soon as we get this done. Okay, these two ribbons are going to go together. Fold it in half. Scrunch it together. Make little birdie wings. And then just place it on your wreath. And come out like that. And like I said, I've made this out of materials that I've had on hand. You know, I do make wreaths, so I had a lot of supplies on hand, but I had very little of each. I really had to think outside the box to get it to come together. But it did. I didn't like these at all. I don't like those curls. I think it takes away from the simplicity of the wreath. Yeah, if you like my tutorials, please like and subscribe. And come back. I also do Facebook Lives. So if you look for Perfectly Imperfect, there is no I in imperfect. It's just spelled perfectly imperfect. That is my page, my business page. And I would love to have you if you come back. I'm getting ready to start making signs, so that'll be fun. Okay, we got the outside row done with the ribbons, and now I'm going to do the top. Here's the outside. Doesn't look like much now, but it'll be so cute. I'm going to put the sign right here. I'll show you the bow before we put the top bow that I've made. I curled the streamers on the ends. I just think that's adorable. That's going to be so cute. So there's our bow. I pre-made the bow because I'm still not really good at making bows yet. I'm halfway decent. I'm not saying that I'm terrible. It just takes me quite a while to do it. Okay, let's get this one. Make our birdie wings. And we'll put this one in here. You want them to curl up. Okay guys, I had to stop for a minute and find my yarn needles. These are plastic yarn needles. They bend, so they're great for going through mesh. And what I do is I just take them and put it on my pipe cleaner. Wrap it around. And since I'm going to have the sign at a slant, well, you know, I better get the bow on there first, because then I can figure out where the sign's going to go. I don't need my needle for the bow. I'm just going to tie it on where there already is a tie, where it already goes around. Hook it right there. I'm just hooking this to the existing frame, around the metal frame. And we'll come back up. And twist it on. Can't see, but I can feel. Okay. Let's see if I like it there. There we go. That's cute. I'll lift up the camera when we get all done and show you a better shot of it. I think that's really cute. Okay, now let's get this sign on. One of them down in there. I have that one down. Same thing on this one. Put it down in there, right through the mesh. Flip our bow up. Okay, well, I got them both down here. I'm just going to twist them together. Not pulling too hard. We don't want our sign to smash down in the wreath. That is not a good look. We want our ribbons sticking out nice and straight. Okay, now for the bottom. Go through here. And the same with this side. This is a very good way to put your signs, bows, whatever on your wreath if you make wreaths. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope you can come back and join me. Please like and subscribe. And there you go. Our little patriotic, God bless America, rustic wreath. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Please come back and see me.